and welcome back to another one of my videos. Today I am going to be doing a very quick unboxing of the Whirl Trio T3 wand set. Here it is. My boyfriend very kindly bought me this for Christmas. I had never heard of the brand or the wand or anything like that before, so I have no idea what I'm letting myself in for, but apparently they are very good, so I just wanted to try them out on camera and let you know what they're like. So just looking at the box, they won a Best of Beauty award in 2017. I think these have been on the go quite a while now, and as I say, this is the Whirl Trio, so you get one body and then 3 different heads. So this is what it looks like in the box. Dan ordered this from Boots for me apparently, and when it arrived all of the back of the box was like ripped, so yeah, we're not really too sure what to do about that, but I guess as long as the inside works then it should be okay. But I'm just going to read on the back of the box what the sizes of the wands are, just so you know. So we've got, obviously that's the body, this one here is the biggest one for loose waves and that is 38mm. This one up here is slightly thinner and that is the undone waves and that's 25mm, and then this one here is for tousled waves and that's the 32 to 19mm, because obviously it's 32 here and it goes down to 19 here. So without further ado, let's plug this in and give it a whirl, pardon the pun. When I opened the box the instructions fell out on the floor, but it does come with instructions. I think I'm going to do a test with each of the barrels on one strand of hair. They're really heavy, I didn't expect them to be that heavy. I think these ends are like, you're able to touch the ends basically, and that bit doesn't get hot. So yeah, that's what it looks like. It's 4 little prongs. 4 more prongs on that one, and that's that one. And then this is the biggest one here, 4 prongs again on the end. So just for some comparison, that's the biggest all the way down to the smallest. And that's it from the side. And then underneath the plastic tray we have a heatproof glove and a little pouch in here. I think there's like little slots where you can actually put each of these individual barrels in to keep them nice and safe, so that's handy. So I've just put my lovely little attractive glove on and I just thought I'd do some close-ups of the body. So obviously it comes with a plug like this because I'm in the UK, and there's a little bit of velcro here so you can strap all your wire up, and then this is the body, so it looks like you can, oh yeah, there we go, you can like lock on certain attachments I believe. But yeah, I'll just plug it in. So I'm going to start with this one for the tousled waves. So the body is on the unlock button there, so if I match up these 3 prongs, I don't know if you see them, 1, 2, 3, with these 3 little indents here, it should go in, she says. There we go. So I've just pushed that right in so there's no gap there now, and I'm going to twist this to lock on the barrel, and then I'm just going to click the power button, and I'll do it on like number 4 or something. You can already like hear it warming up, it's all like crackly. Don't know if you can hear it. Okay, so yeah, it says wait until all the lights turn solid to actually start using it. I don't know if you can see them because it's so bright. There you go. So they're all sort of solid now, so I should be able to just go ahead and use it. Right, so I'm just gonna really badly wrap my hair around here and try not to burn myself. I should have definitely worn the glove on the other hand. So I'm going to leave it here for like 10 seconds. There we go, so that's the curl it has created. A tousled wave. I'm going to switch the glove over now so I don't burn myself. And it says to wait for the barrel to cool down before you remove it, but I'm going to be really terrible and put it on the heatproof mat that I've got and switch over to this barrel next. So I've just attached the thinner barrel and it's now got the 4 solid lights on, so I'm going to take this piece of my hair. I've noticed it's quite easy to turn off the wand just because this is where your hand is and the power switch is like right here, so that's not the best, but it does warm up really quickly. It takes about 20 seconds. So I don't know if you can see that, but that is the one I've just done. That's the 25mm, I believe. I really like that one actually. That's a really nice curl, I would say. Got room for it to drop a bit as well. And I'm just now going to try the last one and see how we get on with that one. Slot it on, push it down, and then just lock that one in and switch it on. So I've just done this one, the last one, and as you can see, these two are kind of similar. I think that one is probably my favourite, and then this one is a little bit looser. So you have barrels for like every kind of look, I guess, and just because the 25mm I think it was my favourite, I'm just going to go over my whole head with that one. So this is my hair now that I've just finished it. There's a little close-up. I really like these curls and they're not too frizzy, they're still shiny and soft. They do still smell like burnt hair, but you get that with every curl in one. So yes, obviously I've only used it once, but so far I'm really impressed with the curls it's given. Hopefully they last for a few hours, and I'll probably do a few more videos with this kit just to let you know how I get on, maybe compare it to the Dyson or something like that if anyone wants to see it. And yeah, thanks for watching. Please give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!